Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. In this trip, we're going cross country. This is going to be our first stop. It's going to be about a 15-hour drive. We're taking I-10 West, as you can see here. For us coming from South Florida, it's going to be a very, very long drive. Hope you like it and enjoy it. We are approaching the city of Mobile, Alabama. Heavy traffic here, as you can see. And we continue. We finally made it to Louisiana. We're in Baton Rouge. This bridge right here, it's crossing the Mississippi River. We're almost there. Almost. Still got some more time. This bridge here, as you can see, it's called the Atchafalaya Basin Bridge. It's the third longest bridge in the United States, and it's 18 miles long. Yes, you heard right, 18 miles. Very long. Driving 15 hours, and this is where we got to. First pit stop. Say something, babe.
I need food, then we could talk.
Yeah, we're very hungry and tired. But anyways, this resort, it's beautiful, it's amazing. Look at that. Look at that sunset. As you can see here, sites are spacious. They have plenty of space in between. I will drive you around so you can see more or less. And then we're gonna go up in the air with the drone, give you a better view. The resort has 3 pools, 2 water slides, hot tubs, and many other amenities. We highly recommend this place to anyone looking to have a good time with their family. We will definitely come back to this place. Stay tuned for our next video as we continue our journey west. We'll be going into San Antonio, Texas, and then head off to New Mexico. Thank you for watching.